My cabin. All right, we are out. We are headed home. Well, to Carolyn's for a little bit to do laundry and then home. But we are saying bye to the cabin. All right, me and Max, if you can hear him jingling, are on the way home. Andrew went to his fire training he had tonight, and I did the biggest vlogger fail ever. I left my camera in the car. So I am vlogging with my phone right now. But I got some laundry done, watched some TV. Now we are going to wash the car and get home. Okay, so remember when Andrew was in the truck and went through the car wash and it leaked? I'm in the Passat and that window is not all the way closed because it's broken and we haven't been able to get it to fully close and stay. So we're gonna see how badly this leaks in the car wash. It's actually doing pretty good. That's awesome. I don't see any water coming in. That is amazing. And I just have it held closed with some pieces of wood and a comb, because that's what I have. So hopefully when we get out of this, it won't be really bad. I don't even see you coming in though. We are home. Yay!
Where the deer and the antelopes play.
And somebody is home. Sirius, do you feel better? Oh, you scared him. Do you feel better? Yeah. He did very good, and he's gotten so big since the last time I saw him. He is just growing so fast. But that little face. He did so good, and now it's all taken care of. And an update, kind of, on the house. It's looking like we might be able to move this weekend, which means I need to get packing tomorrow.
Holy shot.
Yeah, I am off for the next 2 days.
So you had 2 days to pack?
Yeah.
Hummus.
And then move.
So you have a day to pack and a day to move. I don't see what the problem is. Just need to get on it.
I think we are going to go to bed. I didn't vlog that much today, but oh well. It really was, what you didn't see was literally me driving. So, you know, not terribly exciting. He got a good review on his Etsy shop for the Pokeball.
I'll have to send it to the website.
Yeah, so I think we are going to go to bed.
Wait, you forgot to feed me.
And get some sleep.
I'm sure you had dinner.
Yes, before I left Carolyn's.
Well, I didn't have dinner.
Well, there's food in the fridge over there.
Guess if you gave me hummus and chips, that would be sufficient.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He wants hummus and chips. Let's see.
Wow, that actually worked. It never works.
this works.
And I also want a Tesla and a house.
Okay, oh, that one I can do.
And no, not that. Like an actual house.
Oh, I can't do that one.
Dimax Blue.
No! We watched Meet the Fockers up at the cabin,
That's where.
and
You want to be blue?
and ever since, he thinks it would be really funny to dye Max
I think
blue.
he's down for it. You want to be blue? Yeah? You want to be blue? should we dye you blue? Yeah? Okay. Okay, we just gotta convince Brooke. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it.
Be like
I think he's
the
down for
blue
it.
song. Okay.
I think he's down for it, though.
Hummus. If I can close the fridge, I won't miss this part, you guys.
Oh, we're taking that refrigerator.
No. And, oh. Sirius just caught something. He jumped like 2 feet in the air.
Oh, Max, use chips. Oh, it's such a small bag.
Hummus and chips.
I want a slightly bigger bag of chips, though. It's only as big as my head. Yay, Costco chips.
And now bed.
Hey, give it a thumbs up. And a paw. Oh, and a paw. And subscribe to Red Hair Tech and give all the videos there a thumbs up too. Bye.
And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Ow!